are at Makuyu, and we stopped over for a snack because I was hungry and I needed to pee. And then we're gonna continue with the journey. I'm excited. I'm having a pie, yummy, and some yogurt over there. Yep, it's a little hot. This is my future self. As I edit the video, I realized I didn't make an intro, so I had to come here and say hi to you guys. So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time here, hi, my name is Christine. Welcome to the farm. Click on that subscribe button to be part of this amazing family. So in today's vlog, guys, I'm taking you guys on a road trip with me to Meru County, and it's my brother's wedding. So I'm gonna show you guys a few clips from that and show you guys where we stayed. I hope you enjoyed this video. Cute is this pool? Oh my goodness, and there's a trampoline, and this is Alba Hotel. Only has 2 floors, just tiny, and I think they're constructing more here on this side. There's a restaurant here and the bar. Welcome to the room, guys. When you come in, the first thing you see, of course, you come in through there, and there's a closet over here. There's a closet over here, and then there's a washroom here. That's me. Hi, how are you? How are you doing? So this was my outfit for today. I'm wearing this top, which is from Mr. Price, and these shorts, which are from Toy. If you haven't watched my places where I buy clothes in Toy Market, this one I bought in Toy. And then I have some leggings, I have some tights. So this is the washroom. Is this real or fake? It's fake. It's definitely fake. So this is the bathroom. Then you come here, there's another mirror. Hi, this is me. My shoes, my bag. Have a few drinks here. This is the bed. This is the bed, so cute. So cute. There's a little coffee station here. Hi, there's There's a TV, have a few drinks here. That's me. Hello, hi. So cute. And then they said we'd get a Nyambene Hills view, but clearly there's no Nyambene Hills here. So tomorrow we are definitely moving rooms. Maybe we'll get the pool view, because today there's a DJ. It's on Friday, so they have a DJ up to 9 at the pool, so we didn't want to be disturbed. This is the most interesting QR code I've ever seen though. On Amba. Cutie with a booty. Yeah?
Utampenda na kumtunza akiwa mgonjwa au kwa afya, kwa utajiri au kwa umaskini, kwa mema au kwa mabaya, na kuwaacha wanawake wengine wote. Utamshika na kukaa na uji wakitupigia Bwana Yesu makofi. Basi narudi kwa wewe Nita, nikuulize maswali haya.
We live a lush life, champagne, gold rain. We get to be everything that we wanna be. Running that red light, slide through, fast car, Malibu. I just want you rolling with me. Now what you wanna do, go to the movies. We could buy a banana, make a strawberry smoothie. Ayy, now we could catch the sun and we'll still be hotter. Clink, clink on a yacht, make it wine out of water. Now I'm tipsy, spending money, anything you want. I got it, hop the first plane out of sight, so high. We only smoke in the bed, but all I need is you, and your body. All this money don't mean nothing without you, give me honey. All this money, time to breathe the sweet air. Top floor, penthouse, hey Pierre, where's the caviar? You want some finger food? Let's take down the moon, melt it down and make a fondue. So where you wanna go? Let's see it all. Selfies on the Great Wall, maybe the Taj Mahal. Ayy, we could stay out late after dark, take a gamble in Monaco, we could swim with the sharks. Now I'm tipsy, spending money, anything you want. I got it, hop the first plane out of sight, so high, we only smoke in the bed.
So I had promised to do a giveaway in this video, and that's what I'm about to do. I said I'm gonna buy one of you guys, my loyal fam, people that have supported me and that keep supporting me. I appreciate that so much. So it's very easy. All you need to do is make sure that you've subscribed, watch this video to the end, go back, watch 3 more of my videos, any 3 videos to the end, and send me a screenshot on my Instagram. I will put it right here, Christine_Mwiti. Send me a screenshot on IG and we can chat and exchange contacts, and then I'm gonna send you some money, some ching, okay? And if you got to this point, you're the best. As usual, do not forget to like this video, subscribe, share it with your friends, family, or groups, and don't forget to leave a comment. I love you guys, and I will see you in the next video. Bye. Mwah.